The squid can go anytime now. He is on the move. The fish is not reacting at all. Now the fish ran away. But it's like, damn, why does this always happen? How is this bird's strategy to sneak in a fish? Did he get something? Oh, very, very, very tiny fish. Yeah, he got some. Very tiny one, swallowed it. But maybe that's his ammo. Maybe that's just how he's hunting. Look how intense he is. He's not even going for the big ones. He knows this is too much. He doesn't feel me at all. He's coming very close to me. It's like only even 2 meters away from me. And there he goes on, hunting little baby fishes. I thought he would go for something bigger, but maybe he's not a grown-up himself, I don't know, these kinds of birds. But yeah, he went with a very small one. But a success is a success, right? A bit of protein is a bit of protein.